Alright, I got a switch block from Blacksmith Supply. I've been looking for a long time and I was trying to figure out what I wanted. And Blacksmith Supply was the only place I could find that had all of what I needed in a switch block. So I wanted to do a little showing of the unboxing, talk a little bit about switch blocks, and show you why I like this dude. He's a really cool guy. I had actually seen the price go up, and I said, hey, I've been looking at the switch block. It didn't go up a lot. It was probably like 20 bucks. But I said, hey, I just looked at this the other day, and you raised the price, which was, I thought the price was very, very affordable already with it raised. And I said, can I have what I originally saw? And so he gave me a deal. So he was a cool dude. But if you buy anything from Blacksmith Supply over $120, they give you a box of other cool stuff, which you have to add it to your cart. But I really like this. I appreciate that. There's a set of gloves, which I didn't have any, which I was appreciative of, and a sweet shirt. It says Blacksmith Supply. And you can pick your size and everything like that. I mean, they don't need to do that, but I think it's super cool. I definitely will be rocking that. And then he added some people don't use this stuff, but I will definitely put these stickers on places and some other swag. So just cool, man. It's just, I appreciate little merch and stuff like that. This, I think it's based on the Yater, not a Yater block, but the green Menkel switch block. The B pattern, or the A pattern. Pay Tools has swage blocks. Centaur Forge has swage blocks. But they all charge way, way, way too much money, in my opinion. So I looked at a lot of different places, and a lot of people don't know about Blacksmith Supply. Ooh! A lot of people don't know about Blacksmith Supply, but I just literally searched like supplies for blacksmith and that came up. But I was really surprised. Their prices are still really good. He bumped them up a little bit, but they're still very, very good, very reasonable comparatively to Pay Tools and Centaur Forge. Centaur Forge sells a Yater block knockoff, kind of, and that's about $500. I got this out the door for $280. Or shipping's expensive. That's one thing. You're gonna get screwed on shipping either way. It's a block of steel. Like it's gonna suck. So if you can find somewhere that has switch blocks with no shipping or free shipping or a deal or whatever, jump on it. Ooh, it's a big boy. Oh, balls. That's cool. So it's big. It's thick. It's a thick one. The casting's not bad. I'm going to obviously clean it up and make it pretty, but yeah, man, this is sick. I'm going to use it to make a lot of cool stuff. The other swage block, this is a more of a village blacksmith swage block with all the depressions and the spoonings and all that stuff. It's to make, oh, it's heavy. It's to make decorative stuff and ladles and stuff like that. The other type of swage block is a tooling swage block, which is the one with, you've seen the one with the squares and the pass-throughs and stuff. This doesn't have any of that. The Centaur Forge one, that's $520, has 2 pass-throughs. I've worked on that in my old job. And it was a nice swage block, but it's 130 pounds. You can't really move it around. If it's on a stand, it's hard. It's annoying to pick up. It's annoying to do. So the smaller swage blocks that are 60 pounds, it really is enough weight. And when I build the stand on top of that, I'm probably going to build a metal stand with a wood buffer, because these things tend to rattle a lot if you don't. If you're putting a bowl, dishing a bowl or something, and tap, 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 it's just going to rattle. So it's nice to put a piece of wood or rubber. You're not really doing it for the impact. You're shaping something. So, I like this pattern. The other one I really liked was the green Menkel. It's on Pay Tools. It's $320 without shipping, and shipping is $67. I was just not ready to spend almost $400 on. Plus tax, it probably wouldn't have been. It probably would have been over $400, but I just wasn't ready to spend over $400 on a block. I think 280 is pretty reasonable. Holland Anvil Company has a couple. They have a tooling block and they have a dishing block, but I felt like their block was small. I think it's 40 pounds, and this is 63 pounds. So. And their blocks, I think they're thin. They're not very thick. So I wanted, this is 4 inches by 10 by 10. And a lot of it for me has to do with like, is it all useful? The tooling block I have is 4140. I bought it from Uncle Buck's for $150. It was an amazing deal. But it's only, I think, 1.5 inches thick. So there's no point in using the sides. The sides are useless, so I keep it flat just for making hammers and axes and stuff. So those are the two swage blocks I have. I'm really happy I got this one. It was worth every penny. Even now with the price increase, it's still worth it, and he'll give you a bunch of freebies and stuff. But yeah, I had a really good experience with Blacksmith Supply. If you are in need of a swage block, he's got 2. This pattern, and then he's got kind of an oblong that's more rectangular. I would go check them out. The oblong is $180, and I think shipping will be $85. These are super heavy. It sucks that it's that much, but I wouldn't want to ship it. I wouldn't want to carry it all around. But I'm really happy with this. I'm going to clean it up. I still have to figure out how to clean it up with a round sort of dishing grinder or something. But it looks cool. I mean, I've always wanted one of these. I want to get into more copper and steel work and work that together, make spoons and ladles and more stuff like that, but I like it. I'll just slap it on top of my other swage block right now. And yeah, if you guys can go and show him some love and order some stuff from him. I know most people know about Blacksmith Depot and Centaur Forge and Pay Tools, but Blacksmith Supply is a really great company, and he's a really cool dude. So I appreciate it if you go check out his swage blocks, his tongs. And if you do order, like I said before, if you do order anything over $120, he'll throw in gloves and a shirt and stickers and stuff like that. He's a cool dude. So, all right. See ya.